Hi, this is the CUBOT Quest device and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts. So let's open first the control panel, and here you'll see all of the available options. If you want to add here new options or remove some of the available ones, or just to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should click here to this edit icon, and here you'll see this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this subsection. By this way, to remove them from your panel, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons here, we should just hold the icon and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to the three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.